Hello class 7 student. Today we are doing exercise 12.1. In previous video I have explained what is algebraic expression, coefficient, degree, terms and factors. Now related to these terms we have to do this exercise 12.1. The first question is the statements are given and we have to find out the algebraic expression. The first question is subtraction of z from y. So we have to, from this statement we have to make a algebraic expression from y. So we have to y minus z, subtraction of z from y. So we will write y first and we are subtracting z from y. Now the second question, 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. Read out this, sum of numbers x and y and 1/2 of it. So 1/2 of means multiplication and sum of x and y. So this is the algebraic expression formed by this statement. Now the next is the number z multiplied by itself. The number z multiplied by itself means z multiply z, then we are getting z square. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. Product of numbers p and q and 1/4 of it. So 1/4 of product p and q. So this is the algebraic expression formed by this statement. Numbers x and y both squared and added. Numbers x and y both squared and added means x square, this is square, and y square, both are squared and added. Both we have done the square of both numbers and then we have added it. Now come to question number 6. Numbers 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Product of m and n means m multiply n. There is no sign, it means they are multiplied. 3 times n and m means 3 multiplied m and n. Number 5 is added means 5 is added to this. So this is the algebraic expression formed by this statement. Now come to question, seventh part of this. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So from 10 means we have to write 10 first. Product of numbers y and z. Y multiplied to z. If we are not putting any sign between y and z, it means they are multiplied to one another. Okay, so product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. This is the algebraic expression formed by this statement. Sum of numbers a and b. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product means a and b. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. Product of a and b. Sum of numbers a and b is subtracted from their product minus a plus b. So sum of numbers a and b is subtracted from their product. This is the product is subtracted from. Okay, now question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. So this is question number 2, first part of that. X minus 3 is the algebraic expression. So how many terms are there? I have already explained you what according to the terms how can we classify a expression. There are 2 terms x and minus 3. 2 terms are there, that is a binomial. So the terms are here x and minus 3. And the factor of this algebraic expression x minus 3 are x and minus 3 are the factors of this this expression. Now the next question, B part of this is 1 plus x and x square is the expression, and its terms are 1 x and x square. 1, this x and this x square are the terms. Now we are factorizing this. So if we are factorizing this expression 1 plus x2, then 1 is a factor, x is the factor, and the x square is the factor. Again this x square can be factorized because this is not the smallest factor. So again this x square can be factorized at x as x and x. So this is the this method. By this method, this is the tree method. Okay. Now next, third C part of this is y minus y cube. How many terms are there again? 2 terms are there. It is a binomial. So terms are y and minus y cube, and the factor of this algebraic expression are y and minus y cube. Now y cube, how we can factorize this? Y cube is not the smallest part, we can break it. Now y cube can be factorized into minus 1, y and y, means y multiply y multiply y. Okay, D part of this question is 5x y square plus 7x square y. Now how many terms are here? Again 2 terms are there. The terms are 5x y square and 7x square y are the 2 terms here. When we are doing the factorization of this expression, now how many terms? First the terms are 5x y square and 7x square y. Again we have to, this is not the smallest factorization, means this term is the multiplication of 5x and y square. 5 is the smallest unit, x is the smallest unit. Now this y square again can be factorized into y multiplied y. Similarly here, this term is the product of 7x square and y. This term is the product of 7x square and y. This 7 and y are the smallest unit. Now again this x can be break into x into x. So these are the factors of this term this expression 5x y square plus 7x square y. Come to E part of this question number 2. How many terms are here? Minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. There are 3 terms. What we call, when our expression is having 3 terms, this is called trinomial. Okay, this is called trinomial. Now how many terms are there? The terms are 3 terms. The terms are minus ab plus 2b square and minus 3a square. When we are factorizing these terms, minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square, when we are factorizing this term, we are getting minus ab, one term, second is 2b square and minus 3a square. Again this ab is the product of minus 1. Minus 1 is not visible actually, but minus 1 a and b. This 2b square is the product of 2 and b square, and this 3a minus 3a square is the product of minus 3 and a square Now just see, b square is the product of, again this b square is the product of b and b, and this a square is the product of a and a. So this is the factorization of this term by tree method. Okay class, Now this is the second part of question number 2, similar to first part of question number 2. Here in this question also we have to identify the terms and factors. In the previous question we are using the factor tree method. Same question but the method is different. Now minus 4x plus 5. How many terms are there? 2 terms. What are the terms? The terms are minus 4x. One is the 4x. Now the factors of minus 4x are minus 4 and x. Minus 4 and x are the two factors of this term, minus 4x. Now the second term is 5. So the second term is 5. So 5 is the factor. Now B part of question number 2, question number 2 and the second part, minus 4x is the one term and the another term is plus 5y. So the factors of minus 4x. Minus 4x is the minus 4 and x are the two factors. What are the factors here? 5 and y are the two factors of this term 5y. Now how many terms are here? 2 terms, 5y and 3y square. So terms is 5y and the factor of this 5y is 5 and y are the factors. Here I have written terms and here I have written factors. So these are the terms and these are the factors. Now the next term is 3y square. 3y square. What are the factors of this? 3 is 3 and y square. So it means y and y. Y and y are the other two factors. Now come to the next D part. How many terms again? 2 terms are there. What are the terms? The first one is xy and the another is 2x square y square. Now what are the factor of xy? X and y. What are the factors? 2x, x square is there, so we are breaking the x square into parts, that is x and x. Now y square is the product of y and y. So these are the factors. Rest part you have to try yourself. Okay, bye bye.